Welcome to Basic Music Theory. The staff. This is a staff. It consists of 5 lines and 4 spaces. In music, the placement of the notes on the staff determine the musical pitches. This staff would be used to produce music for individual instruments or voices. The grand staff has a bracket to the left of the staff to connect the 2 staves to form a system. As you can see, this staff is for piano. The lower staff is generally for the left hand or lower notes, and the right staff is generally for the right hand or higher notes. Clef signs. Clef signs are used in music to determine the names of the notes to be played. The treble clef or G clef indicates where the G is on the upper staff, second line from the bottom. The bass clef or F clef indicates where F is on the lower staff, fourth line from the bottom. Notes and rests. As we learned in a previous presentation, the notes and rests indicate sound and silence durations. Remember the following notes and rests. Measure or bar. In musical notation, a measure or bar is a segment of music determined by how many beats there are per measure. A piece of music is made up of many measures. The following are different types of bar lines with their explanations: standard, double, end, begin repeat, end repeat, and begin and end repeat. Time signature. The time signature looks like a fraction at the beginning of each piece and tells us how many beats there will be in each measure. The top number represents the number of beats in each measure. The bottom number represents which note will receive 1 beat. In the example below, there will be 3 beats per measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat. In the example below, you see the 4/4 measure. The C in the second measure stands for common time and is another way of indicating 4/4 time. The 2/2 means there are 2 beats in a measure and the half note gets 1 beat. The symbol in the fourth measure is another way of indicating 2/2 time or cut time. You can figure out the remaining 3 time signatures. Musical symbols and terms. Bar lines are vertical lines that divide the staff into measures. Fermata is holding a note for longer than normal time. Treble clef is a symbol used to show notes generally above middle C. The bass clef is a symbol to show notes generally below middle C. A measure is a section or box on a staff containing a fixed number of beats. Repeat signs are symbols that tell a musician to go back and play something again.